खराब मूवी होती है, मेरे फोन में उतने ज्यादा मूवी के बारे में नोट्स होते हैं. दिस आदिपुरुष रिव्यू इज प्रीटी मच रिटन इटसेल्फ. Hey all, my name is Acharita. यही एक चैनल है जहां रिव्यू, इंटरव्यू सब. This review is brought to you by Nokio, an app designed to solve the problem of what to watch. Nokio will tell you what is popular among your close circle of friends and family, people you know and whose opinion you trust. More on the app and where you can find me on it review के end में. ओम रावत की रामायण adaptation आदिपुरुष शुरू होती है with a disclaimer longer than my notes. Most of it is white noise, the usual. We don't want to hurt religious sentiments. But what stood out was the voice urging people to read the Ramayan, to interpret it for themselves. Means आगे के आने वाले 3 घंटे जो आप खर्चने वाले हैं, that's not enough work for you today.
ब्रह्मांड में जो भी पाने लायक है तू पा चुका है, फिर भी तू राक्षसी है. लक्ष्मी को पाले, नारायण हो जाएगा.
Actually, I stand corrected. The movie started with the censor certificate, जिसके स्क्रीन पर आते ही जय श्री राम के 3-4 नारे लग गए थिएटर में. इतनी आतुर थी ये फिल्म देखने के लिए जनता सुबह 7:30 बजे. वो अलग है कि खत्म होने के बाद this was probably the quietest audience exiting the building, shell shocked, hurt, aghast. इसके बीच में क्या हुआ? Let's take a look. Now, Ramayan is a tale as old as time. छठी क्लास में शायद NCERT के कोर्स में भी थी ये किताब. I loved these stories as a kid. I've read various Hindi adaptations of the Sanskrit text. This was my Harry Potter before Harry Potter. Epic texts like this should always be open to analysis and interpretation. हम साथ साथ हैं हो या राजनीति. But if you're going to take one of them and turn it into a Marvel-style superhero universe while still keeping the main characters looking and sounding like they're straight out of Valmiki's draft folder. But some of them have tattoos and shiny bright superpowers. Some of them sound like they grew up in Matunga. And yet another plays heavy metal Veena singing Shivoham Shivoham. You better have a Christopher Nolan grip on your material. There's too many lanes here.
मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी.
ये कहानी है मेरे प्रभु श्री राम की.
Om Rawat's vision for the story and his grip on it are both hilariously loose, if not straight up offensive to both the film critic and the Jai Shri Ram chanting audience. मूवी की शुरुआत में आलसी से वॉइस ओवर को यूज करके 2D एनिमेशन के साथ आपने बड़े एम्फेसिस से कहा कि इंडियन हिस्ट्री के पेजेस में गोल्डन पेज राम की कहानी का है. Mind you, this is after the disclaimer that this is being claimed. What you're about to see is history. Merriam-Webster के हिसाब से that's a chronological record of significant events. At this point, I'm resigned to even seeing how Om Rawat will convince us to believe that जो हम देखने वाले हैं वो actual इतिहास है. And if you're telling me Sita around her Haran was living in a cliffside cave and not a scenic cottage in Panchvati, I'll buy into it. लेकिन my friend, same sequence में रावण का पुष्पक विमान, which according to canon was this super technologically advanced piece of machinery, is a gigantic demon-looking disease carrying eye bulging, mouth drooling, freaking possessed 20 feet wingspan का चमगादड़ who Lankesh may or may not be physically attracted to. I don't have the option of taking anything in this film seriously. इतनी insincere है आदिपुरुष. When Hanuman returns from setting fire to Lanka, the first thing he says to Ram is, बता आया उन्हें, हमारी बहनों को हाथ लगाएंगे तो उनकी लंका लगा देंगे. Which in the 5 minutes Hanuman has set fire to Lanka and arrived back in between, it seemingly has become a figure of speech.
राघव ने मुझे पाने के लिए शिव धनुष तोड़ा था. अब उन्हें रावण का घमंड तोड़ना होगा.
Speaking of Lanka, forget the beachy paradise we are told that country is. The setting here looks like a city trying to rebuild under Baron Vladimir Harkonnen in the aftermath of a nuclear holocaust. Lanka is supposed to be सोने की क्योंकि रावण stole it from कुबेर, but in this film it looks like it's made of granite. मानो कुबेर भगवान ने कुबेर टाइल्स वालों से चुराई थी. Again to my previous point, interpretations करें, नहीं तो वही पुरानी गाथा बार-बार कहते रहेंगे. नहीं, अशोक वाटिका की जगह चेरी ब्लॉसम वाटिका में कैप्चर्ड सीता को विजिट करने आए हनुमान से धकड़ासुर अगर पूछे ये तेरी बुआ का बगीचा है, तो देखने वाले से ये उम्मीद न रखें कि डायलॉग को ओवरलुक करके हम शानदार वीएफएक्स की दुनिया में खो जाएंगे, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ योर वीएफएक्स इज प्रभास running on ground that's slipping away under his feet as his face remains frozen in time and space. The acting, whatever one can make out under the CGI hair and ghungat, is cruel, really. I'm obsessed with Lakshman's Punjabi twang, by the way. क्या हुआ? आपने पहले कभी युद्ध नहीं देखे? Sent me. Poor Sunny Singh wants to talk of victory and valor, but he manages मर्यादा and ये तो फिसड्डी है. It's sweet in a heartbreaking way. Saif Ali Khan as Lankesh strides like a man who has just realized he's very big and he has to now change his walk to match his literal physical stature. stature. Well, the poor chap is the only one in this cast trying to do something interesting with what he's been given to work with. When in his granite ki Lanka, he appears to be enjoying a vigorous massage carried out by 20 literal pythons. I don't know where to look at the expression of orgasmic joy on his face or at a sanctum sanctorum with 10 stone statues of him all around. Every single one of which, by the way, is capable of singing as illustrated in the aforementioned Shivoham Shivoham song. The statues, they sing. Visually, Adipurush is derivative and entirely unimaginative. Before Sita gets kidnapped, एक scene में Lakshman is just like showing her the power of his Lakshman Rekha, which straight up is Protego Maxima. And if there ever was a doubt about Harry Potter से उठाया या नहीं, they're almost immediately attacked by Dementor, led by a Skeletor-looking weirdo clearly high on meth. All the army camps are a direct lift from the Lord of the Rings movies. Lanka के interiors are सस्ती copy of Mordor. Ayodhya looks like Asgard. Throne पर दशरथ है या Odin. Who knows? Kumkaran is Khal Drogo with a Janeu. Vatsal Seth is an emo Flash. I could go on and on. But then this review will become 3 hours long because not a single frame of this movie is original or novel in any way. To my previous point about Adipurush being insincere, so many places one can tell certain Urdu words which are a daily part of Hindi lexicon were written into the dialogue, they've been delivered and have been dubbed over later by many characters, all of whom frankly sound like Sharad Kelkar. All of them. Lips say Rasta, ears hear Marg. Never mind, in the next dialogue they forget to correct this and Ram ends up saying Rasta again. Prabhas ke होठ कहे जरूरत, शरद केलकर की आवाज कहे आवश्यकता. It's giving gone on flows before proofreading. If this level of honesty is good enough for you in a film, लगी हुई है थिएटर्स में जाके देखा है. Now also let me tell you a little bit about Nokio. अगर इस ऐप को आप डाउनलोड करेंगे आज तो सबसे पहले मुझे ऐड करना, फिर एक्सप्लोर कीजिए एंड फाइंड आउट कैसे इधर आप ग्रुप्स क्रिएट करके पर्सनलाइज मूवी रिकमेंडेशंस भेज सकते हैं अपने ग्रुप्स में फ्रेंड्स को, अवार्ड की नॉमिनेशंस, विन्स, फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स. बेसिस योर नेटवर्क, एवरी फिल्म विल हैव अ यूनिक रेटिंग फॉर यू. अपने खुद के रिव्यू यहाँ पे आप लिख कर यू कैन शेयर टू योर इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल्स, रेकमेंड टू योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज Nokio will send you no spam or any unnecessary notifications. Every movie I watch, I write a little bit about it on Nokio. I give a little rating. तो आ जाओ वहाँ पे मिलते हैं. And as always, like this video before you leave. Subscribe to the channel. My name is Sacharita. Thank you for stopping by.